Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jazmynraymay and it is 11:15 a.m. and I look like a potato, but we're about to fix that. Do you guys remember in Hunger Games? Yeah, whenever they were about to enter into the games and they took them down to base 0, that's what I feel like I'm at right now. Like, natural hair is out, nails are off, no makeup on. You know, I feel very base 0 right now. Today, I'm gonna actually be vlogging and taking you guys along with me. My birthday is actually on Monday, and here in Texas, they actually have started opening things back up again. So I'm really excited. The nail salons actually just opened up today, and normally, I am the type of person to have amazing claws. Like, I love my nails. Like, my nails are a part of me. Like, it's so sad not having them, but it's okay. So, I'm going to be getting my nails done today for my birthday. Thank the Lord that they're open up before my birthday. And I also made myself some new hair. I'll insert some clips of that. Hey y'all, okay, so I am yet again in my kitchen, but this time I have this long, luscious blonde hair. I am in the middle of actually transforming this into my birthday hair. I just finished sewing all of this, so that's why the top of it looks so janky, because I haven't figured out the part situation. It's gonna be a middle part, but I haven't actually plucked and placed it and everything yet. This is just some 613 hair. For those of you who love hair and are interested, it's a square frontal and then a 3-piece bundle. And then I went back to the store today because thank the heavens, although like all this crazy quarantine stuff is going on, I live in Texas, and Texas has started opening up stores and the beauty supply opened. So your girl, as soon as the beauty supply opened, went and bought herself some hair. All of that being said, I bought the hair. I went back today and actually picked up a 4th bundle to put in it. I bought 22 inches because I wanted some more length. And I have actually 2 bottles of the Adore Lavender, which is shade 90. So I'm actually going to be using this as my first time coloring a wig. I've made wigs before. I've made 2. I've just never dyed one. So I've watched all the YouTube I could stand, and we're gonna figure this out. This is not gonna be a tutorial, but if I figure out how to do this, I might make a tutorial in the future. So yeah, this is gonna be my birthday wig because I want purple hair for my 22nd birthday. That's it. And yeah. If you guys would like to see how I do my makeup, I have a cute video already up on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check it out. I'll have it linked down below.
A few moments later.
I recently went out with some of my friends like earlier this week, and I have some footage from that of us going and doing photos. My friends, they've all been graduating and everything, so since I'm a photographer, I've been going out and helping them with their photos and everything. And that's been like really nice. It's nice to get back out and everything. Wow, how many times can I say everything? Goodness. This is why you can't talk and put on lashes. I'm done with my makeup. I am going to put on my hair, figure that whole situation out. So, I'll be right back. Hardcore pastel goth vibes today, but you know, I need new clothes. So, yeah, okay. OOTD is literally just a bodysuit from Forever 21. It's actually from their intimate section. If they still have them, I'll try and link them. Unfortunately, these shorts are from Pretty Little Thing, but they are sold out. I literally went on today to buy more of them for the summertime because I have this pair and I have like a pastel-y tie-dye looking pair, which I love. But this bodysuit's really cute. It's like backless. So let's go. I need my phone. I need to check on my Animal Crossing, which is so crazy to say, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know, I think I'll check on my Animal Crossing later today. Who else is playing Animal Crossing? Because it's becoming a problem for me. I'm not normally a video game type of gal, but when all this stuff started, my boyfriend dropped off his Switch and he was like, here, I know you don't like video games, but, and he got Animal Crossing and he's like, you can play this, you'll like it, it'll keep you entertained and give you something to do. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever, I'll give it a go. So, it's literally digital cocaine. And he warned me this. He was like, hey, it's literally digital cocaine. Like, you will get addicted to this game. And I'm like, whatever, I won't get, I'm addicted. It's a problem. Let's see. I have like stuff everywhere. My purse, I believe it's hot outside. I live in Texas and it's almost summertime, so therefore it's hot outside. It's like always hot outside. I have to shop for a birthday outfit because I still want to do stuff on my birthday like a little bit. I still want to look nice. And like I said, Texas is opening up a bit more, so therefore I can, you know, see a couple people, whoever feels comfortable and who feels safe. We're not going to do anything big, nothing too crazy, just, you know, have some friends around. And then I am gonna get going. We have to go find a nail salon that'll do these puppies. Actually, wait. I'm like so awkwardly squatting and like hunched over. I'm gonna like tuck this viewfinder. I'm like trying to get better about looking here instead of at a viewfinder, especially since I got a new camera, so my viewfinder is now to the side. But this is the dip powder that I am now doing. I have a different one that I used to get all the time. It was actually at the nail salon I used to go to, and I can't buy it because you have to be a cosmetologist, and I'm not one, so yeah, my favorite color, RIP. But this is my new replacement color, and it's still really, really good. I love getting super simple nude nails all the time. It's like my thing. And yeah, so this is the new Genesis in shade Desert Sand, and I'll show you guys how it is. I take this to the salon with me, especially with all the stuff that's going on. I feel like it's a little bit safer because then they're just using the stuff that only touches you versus using a product that touches 1,000 different people. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some claws, make sure I have all my things. Don't need this stuff anymore. Goodbye press-on nail glue, and good riddance. Did not like you. I do not know how people do press-on nails. If you can, well, you are more of a woman than me because I am rough with my hands. Therefore, your girl needs some industrial nails. So, got on mini mic. I'm like so weird. I name my purses, but no, whatever. I don't care. Anyway, hasta la vista. Let's go. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. We gotta take a selfie for the gram because I'm that bitch. Y'all, I seriously think I underestimated the amount of people that want to get their nails done today, because today is the first day that the CDC and like the state of Texas is allowing nail salons and stuff to open back up, and every place is booked. Like, so annoying. And then my OG place, they aren't answering the phone, so I'm just like, y'all. Okay, so yeah, but your girl's hungry. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna grab some food, and I'll pick you guys back up after all this nail saga nonsense is like handled. So yeah. Okay guys, I am back and I actually got my nails done. I am so happy. They look so great. Yeah, they were able to squeeze me in and everything, so I got my favorite color for my birthday. I'm so happy. But yeah. Good morning, everybody. How is it going? I have
my face beat, my hair is on. I'm actually wearing this super cute shirt that was sent to me by this online boutique called Blooming Jelly. Their stuff is so nice, and the girls there are super, super sweet. I got this and a couple other amazing items. Right now it's kind of rumpledy. I wear it literally all the time though. I will definitely try and link this exact shirt down below, so make sure to check them out. They're super sweet, and you can buy their stuff on Amazon if you want, but they do have a direct website. Right now today I'm actually getting ready to go to a photo shoot for another boutique here, and I actually am having to pack and prep, so I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of how I'm packing and prepping for this. So here I have my makeup bag. I actually got it on Amazon if you guys are looking for a cute little makeup bag set. I really love it. Obviously it's like all stained, and I use it all the time, but I'll make sure to link this down below. It'll be in my Amazon shop. But this one's really nice. In here I just have my contour palette, foundation, brushes, and blush, and eyebrows, just in case I need to retouch on any of those things, because the shoot is later this evening. Here I also have my thermo flask. I didn't feel the need to spend $1,000 on a hydro flask, and this one is just as amazing. Has a straw lid as well as a normal like sippy cup lid, I guess is what you could call it. And I got it in white. I'm gonna bring this with me, fill it up with some fresh water. Also, what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to be trying on multiple different clothes, I bring several different bras with me. So I have this bra here, which is from H&M, and it is a push-up strapless bra, and it's really nice, better for things with more of a plunging neckline. So I'm going to be packing that. I have this one here. It's actually a Spanx strapless bra. I've used this bad boy for years, and it is so good. It's one that you need if you're going to be wearing more of like a bandeau or like a strapless type top, and you don't need like your tatas looking nice, because it'll like hold them in, but no clavage with this bad boy. And then last but not least, my other favorite H&M bra is going to be their super push-up bra, which is my fave. I love a good push-up bra moment. So I'm going to bring a tan one, and then I'm currently wearing a black one from Victoria's Secret. And then because your girl's thick, she has certain jeans that fit best on her. These are my favorite Levi's. So these are the Mile High Super Skinnies, and I'm a size 27. These ones are really cute. They have like a button fly. You'll see them all over my Instagram. They're literally my go-to jean. So I'm going to bring these with me just in case I'm just wearing a top and need just like a pant to go with it. All this stuff is going to be going in this backpack that I literally picked up from Walmart. I'm about to go shopping on Amazon and find myself a cuter model bag, because I'm getting back into modeling. I took a break from it for a little bit and kind of slowed my roll. I was working directly with the studio for about a year or so, and then the owners of the studio wanted to take a little bit of a break, and so then I was mostly focusing on more photography and did paid gigs whenever people hit me up. But next I'm gonna actually be packing some shoes. So for this shoot, because it is more summer based, she is asking for more strappy type shoes. So I'm gonna be bringing my nude pumps. These are my favorite brand, Only Maker. And yeah, so these nude bad boys I'm gonna be bringing with me. So I'm gonna need both of those. And then these are the Chinese Laundry. These are the heels that the Miss USA pageant actually uses. I'm not a pageant girl, have always wanted to be one, and these make your legs look so long. Y'all, I am like so fun sized. I'm 4'11", and these bad boys make my legs look like a mile long. Normally they look like an inch long. These ones do the same thing, but so good. 10 out of 10. Home. That was a very long day. I unfortunately, this lighting is so bad, y'all. Okay. Unfortunately, I did not find anything at the mall. It was very interesting. Shopping in COVID is different. definitely different. But I had a fantastic shoot with the True Boutique. I actually got to step in and do some photography as well, and the owner of the boutique actually gifted me a dress, and it is so gorgeous. Photos will be up on my Instagram in just a little bit, most likely before this vlog, I'm assuming. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, absolutely fantastic boutique. I'll make sure to link them down below. And yeah, it was a good day. It was a very long day, but it was a good day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. This may be a little bit confusing to some of you guys, but I am adopted, and if you guys would like me to do a video on my adoption story, I would love to do that. Just comment below. Y'all, I'm becoming such a housewife. Look at me. I bought new pillows for my bed back there, and then I have a new quilt. Hashtag wifey. What? So pretty. Thank you so much to my amazing boyfriend for putting together the best quarantine birthday ever. And thank you so much to everybody who's able to make it out. You guys made it a memorable one. Love you.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.